Right, we're going to be doing a isometric view of this third angle orthographic projection over here. Now, up until this time, we've sort of done a fish tank showing the full breadth, length, and height of this thing. I'm going to break it up into doing just a fish tank for this bottom part over here, and then I'll do another fish tank for that top part over there. So I'm going to start out, and I'm going to draw in a line like that, line going out there. I'm going to draw a line going up like that, and I'm going to measure off whatever they say over here. That's 18 millimeters going up over there, 18 mils going up over there. Let me draw a line going out like that, a line going out like that, and I can then see what the measurement is over here. That is 60 going across there, 15 plus 15 plus 30. So that's 60 millimeters on the width. I'm seeing a left view, and the width must be on the left view over there. Let's draw that. Right. All that going that way. The length of this thing, they say it's 166 millimeters. Measure off 166. That is that distance over there. Let's just get that nicely in place. Mark that off somewhere over there. All right, just going to get this in. All right, let's just draw that all the way out there. Maybe mark that off a little bit more accurately. There we go, that's on the line. I can now draw a line going back over there, and I can drop a line going down onto this line coming out here. Drawing very close to the borders over here. Should have started, I think that they've actually given you a starting point on this thing, so you'd be in better shape than I am. Right, okay, once I've done that, I then look at getting this little cut out over here, getting the angle on that, and they've given you some measurements over there. They say that it is 132 millimeters. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first of all find the center by drawing a construction line going over there and a construction line, if I can get my set square to obey, from there to there, and I'm going to draw a construction line going from there to the center. Now 132 divided by 2, 132 divided by 2, what is that? 66, right, thank you very much. 66, glad that there's some people in here that have mathematical abilities, better than mine. Right, 66 on that side, 66 on that side, and I can now draw in a line which goes from that corner over there, across over there. I'm going to take my set square, I'm going to line it up with another set square over here. There you go, and slide down. Draw that across. Same story over here. I'm going to have that back corner, which I haven't got yet because I didn't finish my fish tank properly. That, note, I'm just drawing it in construction lines to start with. These are not dark lines. Once I've got that in place, I can now drop a line down there, drop a line down there, and you can see that I've cut that corner off. Now it says that I need to go back 15 millimeters. Measure back 15 millimeters over there, and another 15 over there. Once I've got that, I can then draw a line going across over here, and a line going across over there. It then says that I need to I'm going to start out by drawing another little fish tank for this story over here, which will then help me to figure out where that line is going to be. Okay, it says that I have got 58 plus 15 plus 15, so 58 plus 30. That is 88, is that right? 88 millimeters. 88 divided by 2 gives me 44. All right, so I set my pair of compasses to 44. I go in over there, and I mark off 44 on that side, swing it round, mark off 44 on that side. Okay, and once I've got those two marks over there, I can now draw in a separate fish tank, which I'm going to do in a different color, I think. Let me try this light blue. All right, there we go. That and that. How high is this fish tank going to go? Well, it says 45 plus 45, that's 90. Let's go up. In fact, I'm going to go right up at the back over here. Take a line going straight up at the back there and measure off 90. Measure off 90 at the back there. That'll be a very important point for me. Draw a line going across there. And I can draw a line going up over there. Draw a line going up over there. I'm going to draw a line coming across at the front over here. Draw a line coming across to the front over here. And draw a line going up there. And a line going up there. And a line going across there. And you can see that I've got another fish tank in which I can start playing around with the story. Remember they said, well, it's a 6 millimeter gap over there to where that ends. So I can now measure from there 6 millimeters. 6 millimeter gap going across over here to that point over there. And I can draw a line in, and I can actually start doing some dark lines here. I'm going to just draw that. I'm going to draw that in dark. If I can get some lead on this pencil, there we go. And that comes out to that line over there. And that comes out to that line over there. And I drop a line down onto that construction line there, onto that construction line there. And I can now finish off these non-isometric lines over there, over there, over there, over there. Drawing a line going there, drawing a line going over there. Going to draw a line going all the way across over there. Line going all the way across over there. Line going down there. Line going across over there. Draw a line going across over there. I need a line coming down over there. And I'll need a line going across from there to there. Remember, 1, 2 in there. All right. Once I've got that, then I come over here and I say, well, what is the back of this thing? How wide is that? It's 15 at the back there. You've already got that mark, so I can draw a line going up over here, just a construction line. And I'm going to measure off. It says that it goes up 45 millimeters. I know that that distance that I did over there was 90. I'm going to find the midpoint of that. Let's just do that quickly. Bing, bing, bing. Draw a line coming down, that. Draw a line going across like that. And draw a 30-degree line going back, which we'll find, no, not this 30 degrees, sorry. Let's just get this thing. No, I've done that wrong. Sorry, 60-degree line there. And there we go. There's my center point on that. So I've got that point. I can draw a line going like that. I need a line going up to that corner over there. I'll need a line coming down at the back over there to a corner. Let's just draw a construction line. So I would have a construction line going down at the back there. Okay. I'm just going to come forward on this thing. Draw in a line going there. And I can now take that angle over there, place that set square there, slide it out to there, and draw in that line going up there. Right, once I've got that, I'm going to take a line going across at the top here, just a construction line. Construction line going across at the top, dropping it down over here, drawing a line going across over there, and I can now find that point over there. I know that this thing must be a a 45-degree angle, which means that that will be a line that goes straight from there to there. Right, you can see the top part, and you can see that 45-degree angle going down there. Right, once I've got that, what have I got then? It then comes out, okay, comes out for another 15, is that right? Yes, it does. Okay, do I have that measurement? I do. There's the 15 gap over there, taking that up over there. Okay, coming to this side of the fish tank, line coming up over there, and I can now draw in a line coming out over there, and a line coming out over there, and I can drop a line coming down. No, I'm not going to have a line coming down there. That comes down at a slope over there to the corner. So I go over here and I measure, or I draw in that line coming down to that corner over there. I can do the same thing on this side. A line coming down over there. You can then see that I've got these little slopes, these things over here. That's a slope, and it's 15 millimeters. So I need to measure off 15 millimeters there, measure off 15 millimeters there, measure off 15 millimeters there. And what I would do there is I would just get some construction lines going over here. In fact, no, let's not do construction lines. Let's just get a construction line at the top, and then we can draw in dark straight away. I'm going to draw a construction line going across over there. And from that, I'll then be able to draw, using that angle over there, with my two set squares lined up with each other. I slide that across, and I draw a nice dark line coming down there. I slide that across to my 15 millimeter gap over there. I draw a nice dark line going down there. Once I've got that in place, I then come along here and I see that I have got this funny square hole that is going through this thing. So I need to figure out where that is. I need the center of this thing. Right, do I have a center? Let's see. I've got my center line coming across there, hits the base of this thing. I can draw a line going up over here. Let's just find, I'm going to draw a purple center line. Okay, there's the center line. You can see that gap over there with a center line going up, and it hits that point over there. I need that square to be drawn around that. So what is it? It says that it's 30 millimeters. I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 15. Obviously, half of the square. So I come over here, I measure off 15 over there. I go to my center line over here, and I'm going to mark off 15 on that side, 15 on that side, there and there. I'm going to draw some construction lines coming out at those points, there and there. And then I'm going to measure off 15 on that side, and 15 on that side. And there's my square that I can draw. I want you to look at this idea. I'm going to draw in the base part of that square. Remember, I have got a shelf over here, which is going back, okay? It goes back to over there. It goes back to over there. And then it goes up, okay? It will be going up from those 2 points. I'm going to draw a construction line going up there, construction line going up there. I come to the corners of my square over here, drawing that across from there, and the corner of the square over here, which I haven't drawn in, there, a line going back over there, and I can now draw in a line going over there, drop that down over there, drop that down over there, draw a line coming across from here, and I need to figure out whether there's a hole at the back over there. I've got this distance over here, which I need to make sure that I have on this story over here. Let me just drop a line down there to there. That would be the back of the hole over there. So I can draw a line going from there to there, and a line going up over there, and a line going across over there at the back And there is that drawing basically done, except for a line coming down over there, line coming across over there, and a line going across over there, which I can then draw in dark. There, there, and there. And you guys can go now. Sorry, there's a little bit that still needs to happen over there. Right, from there to there, from there to there, line going from there to there, line going from there to there, dropping a line down over there, and that's the end of that drawing. Just draw in that line going from there to there and from there to there. That's the end of that drawing.